Have you ever wondered why Python is so important for data science? In the next 7.5 minutes, we will delve into the fascinating reality of Python's indispensability in the realm of data science. Python, a high-level interpreted programming language, has become the darling of the data science community. But why? It's simple, intuitive, and yet incredibly powerful. Python's syntax is clean and easy to understand, making it a popular choice for beginners and professionals alike. Consider the foundation of Python, its libraries. Libraries are pre-written code packages that perform specific tasks, saving you from reinventing the wheel. In Python, libraries such as NumPy and Pandas make data manipulation a breeze. They allow you to handle large data sets and perform complex operations with just a few lines of code. Next up is Matplotlib, another Python library that transforms raw data into visual stories. Data visualization is crucial in data science as it aids in understanding complex data trends and patterns. With Matplotlib, you can create bar charts, histograms, scatter plots, and more, all with a few simple commands. Data science isn't just about analyzing data, it's about extracting meaningful insights from it. That's where machine learning comes in, and Python shines brightly in this domain too. Libraries like scikit-learn provide a plethora of machine learning algorithms, from simple linear regression models to complex neural networks. With Python and scikit-learn, the power to predict the future is at your fingertips. But data science isn't a solo endeavor. Collaboration is key, and Python facilitates this with tools like Jupyter Notebooks. These open-source web applications allow data scientists to create and share documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. Now you might ask, why does all this matter? Well, Python's importance in data science isn't just theoretical, it has practical implications too. Python is in high demand in the job market. From startups to tech giants, companies are on the lookout for skilled Python programmers. Careers in data analysis, machine learning engineering, and data visualization are just a few of the opportunities that open up with Python proficiency. In summary, Python is the language of choice for data science due to its simplicity, power, and extensive libraries. It enables data manipulation, visualization, machine learning, and collaboration, making it an essential tool for any data scientist. The opportunities Python presents are vast and varied, making it not just a valuable skill to learn, but a stepping stone to a rewarding career. So whether you're a budding data scientist or an experienced professional looking to upskill, Python is a language worth mastering. It's not just a tool, it's your key to unlocking the world of data science.